Good morning, friends. Look at my patio. We are going on a shopping spree, my son and I, to get some things to make this patio look like a little garden haven. So let's go with us. So our first stop today is Canadian Tire. We're looking for some soil and some other things. If we don't find what we want, we will go elsewhere. So let's start shopping, guys. Look at us, get more cards. Look.
Well, that's just how they grow.
Okay, that's this one. They have a different. We have this flat piece.
What did you say, Mom?
So we're looking for soil. Here's the film. Look at the film.
Huh?
I just showed you. You want to film it? Like, just show. Just this one. Excuse me, do you got some soil out there?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But I'm not sure if it's outside or inside.
Okay.
나와 단둘이 길을 걸어가 닿듯 말듯한 손끝 사이로 네 맘이 내게 온 건 어쩔 수 없지만 What can I do 배지를 돌려놓고 펜만 손에 쥐고 있어 I'm sick and tired 어떻게 세상이 가고 있어 Tell me what you wanna do
Okay.
And the tree.
Oh no, beautiful nightmare 또 끌리고 있어
Okay, I'll go back over there.
Where's the number? Oh, okay.
이게 사랑인 걸까 난 널 바라보고 돌아보고 시작의 끝을 보고 But don't wanna let you go This broken heart is lost again In the beautiful nightmare Tell me what you want from me Tell me what you wanna hear from me 내게 말해봐 아직 아물지도 못한 상처 속에 의미를 잡고 있는 날 Tell me what you wanna do
That was soil. Right, wasn't it? That was soil, wasn't it? Left side? What kind of soil you want? Actual compost. This is soil. That's not compost. Soil and compost are two different things.
There's garden
Potting soil, potting soil, potting. Look the way you make it.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
시작의 끝을 보고 But don't wanna let you go This broken heart
that outside,
Why?
like in the backyard, exterior,
Why?
so that you can. I can put this one.
Why?
It's like a run.
I need to run outside.
You need a
Put
rug.
one of these outside.
Yeah, but they're all the same thing. They're outdoor rugs.
It's wet.
No, they're out. These ones are outdoor rugs.
These, yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
Yeah, these ones. How much is
Get
this
one
one?
of those.
Oh, this one. These are also older rugs.
Huh?
These are also older rugs. They're called tufts. This one is not the same price. This one. Forget it. So we are searching for some kind of carpet, but the one that we're looking for, it's not the right price. It's a different price. I'm so disappointed. Anyways, I'm gonna keep searching. I got my table and I got some other things. So I didn't get the soil. I want to start my seeds, but I guess we are going to have to use something else. I'm just gonna use the little bit of soil that I have at home, and that's gonna be what I'm gonna use to start my seeds, because they don't have the soil. It's saying they have it online. When I get to the store, there's none. You see the pots here?
You don't need no more pots. You don't need any more pots. You have like a lot.
Like, boy, behave yourself. Oh, we've been soil is here. Look. Let me see. Is that the soil? No. This is like,
Ask them for garden soil.
I don't see it.
Ask them for garden soil, Mom.
I'm saying because it's supposed to be in a sort of frequency.
Well, they probably like thought you meant potting mix or whatever.
Oh, but yeah, this is what I have.
Okay.
I should've kept you close, I should've held you tighter, cause in my book you were my favorite chapter. And when we left each other, damn, what was I thinking? Thought there was no answer, so blinded to believing. Now you're probably thousands of miles away, and it's been years since I've seen your smiling face. And even though I took measures for all my pain, I still dream about you lately and hallucinate. Yeah. Lost lady, where have you gone? Please come back to my heart. I'm out here waiting for you to go. Oh, I never should've let you go. Feeling I wish I could've followed. And I spend my nights alone, cause without you in my life I'm always
Huh? Can see?
You got 1%. Why didn't we film yet? We better, if you're gonna talk, then talk quickly. If you're gonna talk, then talk quickly.
We're gonna talk to quickly. We are heading home. We shopped and shopped and shopped. We're heading home. Alright, let's go home and unpack this van and take out all our garden stuff. We didn't get any garden soil. What a pity. Why this go?
Is that good?